So I've not been liking my hair recently. So for like the past 6 months I've been doing braid outs and twist outs and stuff like that, just because it's better for my hair, I find. And then the past 2 times I've washed it, I've done a wash and go, but I haven't wanted to wear it down because I don't like how it looks. And I know, well, I hope that's because I need a cut. Like, what is this? Like, what is this? I just really don't like it. I'm really not feeling it. I just feel like my hair is so flat. I mean this isn't flat hair, but I feel like I need a cut to get some more volume up top. Like, I hate this flat middle part thing. I'm so over that. And then I just feel like I've got 2 rectangles on either side of my head. So I want to cut it and get more shape. So I want more volume up top, and I don't think I want this middle part anymore. I think I want more of like a round fro kind of look. So I'm going to be cutting like layers into it. Like, you see how this, because all of this section is long, it just hangs down. So I want a bit more, like, I want it to be a bit more round like this. So although I want more volume up top, I think that's going to be the areas that I actually have to cut more off, which seems like counterproductive. But to get volume, I just think I need to get rid of quite a lot of this length so that it stands up more rather than hangs down. Says me, who's never shaped my hair before. So I hope I'm correct with that. I'm just ready for a new look, and I might as well just try it myself. Why not? If it goes wrong, it goes wrong. It will grow back. So I'm going to just go around and trim curl. Oh, usually also I trim my hair on blow dried hair. I've never actually cut my hair when it's dry and curly like this. But what I'm going to do is just section it, quite big sections, nothing like small, and just trim curl by curl. So I guess it's like a DIY DevaCut. So yeah, this is the before. This is before. Let's get cutting.
Now that I am sober, no matter how I did all, I just keep getting on. Oh la 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 la. You've been on my mind for a while now, trying to get you out cause this ain't right now. You said it was a vibe for the time being. It was nothing more but I just couldn't see it. This is not a song for the whole world. Felt like it could have been us against the whole world. Baby, you were mine and I was your girl. Whatever happened to the time that we spent sober? I take back what I said. I'm sitting with yourself hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end. I'm just sorry that there ain't no time left. You and I were over. Me and you are done. When I wanted to be closer, you just wanted to run. Though I know it's no one's fault. If I've learned anything at all with us, no matter how hard it happens, 1 + 1 is none. I've been at this party for some time now, sipping on Bacardi till it runs out. You are in the corner with your head down. I don't even wanna know what that's about, cause you're the one that's always getting too wasted. I'm the one that's never that intoxicated. Tonight I'm in my feelings, oh I'm faded. But I don't wanna think about the complicated. Young love got me feeling like I can't get up. Wishing for it but it never lasts. I thought we'd be together, oh it ended so fast. Now that I am sober, I take back what I said. I'm sitting with yourself hangover. Boy, it's hurting my head. It's the middle of October, and we just came to an end. I'm just sorry that there ain't no time left, cause you and I were over. Me and you are done, cause when I wanted to be, you just wanted to run. And though I know it's no one's
Okay, I'm back and I have an afro. I'm really happy with how this came out. This is literally exactly what I wanted. This is exactly what I wanted. Pat on the back for me, because this just worked perfectly. This is exactly what I wanted. Okay, so this is a twist out. I did have a moment of shit. I have completely messed up my hair because I tried to do a wash and go after I cut it, and I don't really know what happened, but it kind of just didn't look good. So I've now come back with a twist out, and this is the vibe. This is the vibe. This is what I want. So I'm not going to give up on wash and goes, because obviously just because my hair is shorter doesn't mean I can't do a wash and go, but I just think I need to experiment now that my hair is a different shape. But I am feeling it so far. Loving the shape. I've got so much more volume up front. I've obviously got the fringe as well, so it's just more round and more like an afro, which is the look that I was going for. So yeah, I'm super happy with how this came out. What do you think? Let me give you like a little 360. So we got the front, we have the side, and the back. So yeah, I guess now I'm just going to be experimenting with different hairstyles now that my hair is a bit short, well, quite a lot shorter, and a different shape. So if there are any hairstyles that you would want me to do, then let me know. But yeah, let me know what you think. So let me know what you think. Was this a fail or was it a success? I personally think it's a success. So yeah, I'm super happy. I'm so glad I did it, because I've been thinking about doing it for ages, but one day I just woke up and was like, fuck it, I'm gonna cut my hair off. So yeah, I'm feeling the short hair. I think I've always preferred short hair, but then at the same time I've always wanted to see how long my hair will get. But you know what, I think I'm just gonna stick to the short hair because this is a vibe. I'm feeling it. I think this suits me more than super long hair. So yeah, let me know what you think. Thumbs up if you think this was a success. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram as well. I post endless things about my hair on Instagram. And yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you. Bye.